Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Gags and Jay. Here we share simple and some mouth-watering recipes on weekly basis. Today we'll be sharing this Indian style macaroni pasta which is also known as elbow pasta. So let's get started.
Hi guys, Jay this side. So today we'll be preparing masala macaroni. For that we'll be having 2 cups of macaroni which are already boiled. Like for 10-15 minutes you'll be boiling it in hot water along with 1 tablespoon of refined oil in it so that it doesn't stick. So we'll be adding 2 teaspoons of oil in a wok and we'll be preparing the masala for the macaroni. We'll be adding 1 cup of chopped onion and we'll saute it till it turns golden brown. And guys, I'll be sharing one very funny story which is pretty close to my heart and it's pretty embarrassing as well. So I'll be sharing it today along with cooking this sweet and tasty macaroni. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. Now we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to add that gingery flavor to it. बहुत ही शर्मनाक घटना घटी थी मेरे साथ बचपन में ये मैक्रोनी को लेके, वो मैं बीच में बताती रहूंगी. You can add any type of veggies, be it bell pepper or anything which you feel like. Tomatoes, onions, bell peppers and what not. जितना हेल्दी बना सकते हैं आप बनाइए. मुझे हेल्दी कम खाना पसंद है तो मैंने ज़्यादा सब्जी डाली है. So getting along with our story, बचपन से बहुत खाने की बहुत ही ज़्यादा चाह थी और उससे ज़्यादा बनाने की. तो as a budding chef, I used to prepare some good or small kind of dishes. So macaroni was one of those dishes we used to prepare. So एक चाह थी खाना बनाने की तो शुरू की. इसमें आप नमक डालते रहिएगा, मेरी स्टोरी में ज़्यादा मग्न ना हो जाए. आप जो चीज़ डाली गई है स्पाइसेस, यू कैन ऐड इट अलॉन्ग विथ इट एंड यू कैन एंजॉय माई स्टोरी एज वेल. सो रही बात मैक्रोनी बनाने की, आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड जब मैंने बनाना शुरू किया, आई यूज्ड टू ओन अ डॉग हुज नेम वाज भूजू. आई नो इट्स फनी बट इट्स ओके. बचपन में हर कोई अपने कुत्ते का नाम कुछ भी रख देते, तो मैंने भूजू रखा था. So it was a stray dog. So we used to keep it along with us and he was a very nice doggy. He was so nice कि मैं क्या बताऊँ, इतना टॉर्चर मैंने किया उस बंदे पे अपने खाने के साथ. I was so torturous to him. I don't know, 1 साल बाद वो गायब हो गया और आज तक नहीं मिला मुझे. खैर, keeping those tough things apart. Now we'll be adding half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon, 1.5 I would say, a bit more teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and stir it evenly to make it look good. And don't forget to add pizza seasoning, oregano and chili flakes as well as per your taste. I didn't use that much of chili flakes because मेरी पेट के हालत थोड़े नाजायज है तो थोड़ा कम डाला. आप अपने हिसाब से, if you feel like having it spicy, you can add it more. I didn't add it that much. So coming back to the story, my dog was very sad. He literally had some trust issues after I made him eat my awful I would say. Yeah, it was that bad. I'm so sorry. Please unsubscribe mat kijiyega. It was that awful and preposterous to make him eat that. एंड उसके बाद से उसे बहुत ट्रस्ट इश्यूज हो गए मेरे को लेके. मेरे हाथ से खाना ही नहीं खाता था उसे. मतलब वो ट्रस्ट गेन कराने में तो बहुत टाइम लगा था बट उसी से पहले भाग गया वो. सो we'll cook the spices. Okay, make sure that the oil oozes out from the corners. It shows that your spices are well cooked. Now we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of tomato chili sauce. Okay, I used Maggi tomato hot and sweet. You can use any tomato ketchup beat anything, I don't care, but for sure add a tomato ketchup to it. It will give a nice tangy taste to the macaroni. So to give it a bit of indie touch, we'll add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I miss my Bhuju a lot. I wish I could show his pic to you guys, but now it's time to add boiled macaroni which we kept aside for some time. See, it's not sticking anymore. Now we'll give it a good mix so that the spices mixes up with the macaroni. Look at the color. Isn't it looking scrumptious? Yes, मैं शशि थरूर बनने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Now add coriander powder बोल रही हूँ, coriander leaves to it. It's totally optional. I'm telling you, it's very optional. It's not compulsory to add coriander leaves to it. It's a pure optional thing. Now, last but not the least, you will be adding like loads and loads of cheese, grated cheese, to give it a cheesy taste. The more you add cheese, the more flavorful it will become. So, cheese में कोई कंजूसी नहीं करना. मैंने थोड़ा और डाला, आप भी डालिएगा.
And the macaroni pasta is ready. I hope you like the recipe and our beloved dog's sad story. We will again meet next week with another yummy recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we are also active on Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description box and the user IDs are mentioned in the video itself. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye bye.